everyone, so today we are going to talk about fatty liver. अब फैटी लिवर की जब हम बात करते हैं आपने सुना होगा अल्कोहलिक फैटी लिवर एंड नॉन अल्कोहलिक फैटी लिवर. So alcoholic fatty liver, we all know the reasons, but today we are going to talk about is non-alcoholic fatty liver, that especially for people जो alcohol consumption जो है बहुत restricted amount में करते हैं और कई लोग तो करते ही नहीं हैं तब भी उनमें फैटी लिवर होता है. So today we are going to talk about the reasons to it and the dietary preventions to it. So let's first talk about few of the reasons of non-alcoholic fatty liver. So सबसे major reason हम देखते हैं जब आपके body में visceral fat, that is the fat around the organs is more than what it should be. So एक होता है subcutaneous fat, एक होता है visceral fat around the internal organ. So अगर आप बहुत overweight हैं, obese हैं and there is a lot of internal fat in your body, then there is very high chance that a person has a non-alcoholic fatty liver. Also insulin resistance. I have done this video on insulin resistance earlier also. So जिनको insulin resistance होती है उनमें भी हम काफ़ी बार non-alcoholic fatty liver देखते हैं. Third major reason is when people usually have high triglycerides, which could be because of the genetic reason or because of their lifestyle or eating habits. So that is another one of the major reason when we see people having non-alcoholic fatty liver. Now let's talk about कि नॉन अल्कोहलिक फैटी लिवर में हमें कौन सी ऐसी लाइफस्टाइल और डाइटरी चेंजेस करनी है जिससे हमारी ये प्रॉब्लम जो है वो रिवर्स हो जाए. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज़ इफ़ यू आर ओवरवेट और ओबीज, अगर आपका वेट ज़्यादा है आपने उस वेट को कम करना है. Now when I'm saying वेट कम करना है, अंडरस्टैंड दैट आपने फैट परसेंटेज पे वर्क करना है. आपने यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन योर जस्ट वेट एंड डू सम क्रैश डाइट और नॉट ईट और स्टार्व और एलिमिनेट फूड ग्रुप, एक्सीड एनी अदर फूड ग्रुप्स एंड डू fasting for longer hours. No, you are not going to take that route. Okay, so you have to lose weight scientifically under the supervision of a qualified nutritionist जो आपकी body composition को check करे और regularly उसको monitor करे and understands कि आपकी body का जो fat percentage है वो कम करे. So you have to first of all lose the fat percentage, the visceral fat from your body. So you have to lose the fat percentage and some weight under a guided professional. Now all those who are insulin resistant, so you must have seen my videos on insulin resistance, so you have to start working on that. अगर आपको insulin resistance है, आप प्री डायबिटिक, डायबिटिक हैं या PCOS आपको है, so you have to start working and start reversing that issue because in that cases the non-alcoholic fatty liver is usually something which we often come across. तो उसके लिए आपको usually you have a strategy to have low carb, slow carb. So आपने हमारा new diet program भी देखा होगा जिसमें हम low carb और slow carb की बात करते हैं which helps to reverse the insulin resistance. Now there are people who also have high triglyceride for various reasons, that which could be right from genetic to the lifestyle, or it could also be something wherein they are doing a lot of smoking. So you have to also get the triglycerides down if you want to reverse this problem of non-alcoholic fatty liver. Now all those people who have non-alcoholic fatty liver also have to reduce their intake of visible fat. हम visible fat मतलब जो भी आप फ्राइड चीज़ें खा रहे हैं या आप अगर बाई चांस आप बहुत सारा घी या बहुत सारा तेल अपनी सब्ज़ी में डाल रहे हैं, you have to reduce the intake of those things by 25 to 30%. Now along with that intake of raw vegetables आपको बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. So raw vegetables in form of salad or raw vegetables in form of vegetable juice, they work wonders for non-alcoholic fatty liver people. So here are few things which you can do if you have non-alcoholic fatty liver. सबसे पहले is lemon turmeric water. So उसके लिए आपने about 250 ml of वाटर लेना है, उसमें पिंच ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक टर्मरिक. सो यूज़ एन ऑर्गेनिक टर्मरिक, उसको अच्छे से बॉईल करना है फॉर अ मिनट. देन यू हैव टू स्विच ऑफ द गैस, स्ट्रेन इट, पुट इट इन अ कप एंड उसके ऊपर आपने हाफ अ लाइम जूस डालना है एंड यू कैन हैव दिस इन द मॉर्निंग. Another thing which is very very beneficial is vegetable juice. So vegetable juice कोई भी local seasonal vegetables जो available हैं, I would prefer celery which is very good, parsley, mint, coriander, थोड़ा सा पालक, लौकी, एनी 3 or 4 ऑफ दीज वेजिटेबल्स, इनको आप लीजिए और एक ग्लास पानी के साथ मिक्सर में डाल के इसको ग्राइंड कीजिए. डोंट पुट इट इन अ जूसर, सो पुट इट इन अ मिक्सर and then grind it and strain it. Once you get that, put about half a lemon or 1 lemon to it and drink that every day for at least 2 months. Also including dandelion tea, which is easily available as a tea bag, and including milk thistle in your diet. So milk thistle again इसका एक supplement भी मिल जाता है आपको, milk thistle milk thistle भी मिलता है जिसको आप boil करके पानी में अच्छे से और उसको strain कर सकते हैं. Including these two things and even ashwagandha. So if you get a good source of ashwagandha or ashwagandha tablets directly, that can also help in non-alcoholic fatty liver. Now along with this आपने ये सब जूसेस तो पी लिए, पर अगर आपने बहुत हैवी फैटी फूड खाया या बहुत सारा हैवी शुगरी फूड खाया तो आपका ये प्रॉब्लम रिवर्स नहीं हो पाएगा. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू ऑल्सो डू इज़ यू हैव टू ऑल्सो रिड्यूस द इनटेक ऑफ फैट. सो बहुत सारा ऑयली फ्राइड फूड ना खाएं, and you have to reduce the intake of any kind of refined sugar in form of rusk biscuits. So reduce that. Hydrate yourself well, at least 12 से 15 ग्लास पानी आपने ज़रूर पीना है, and you have to keep yourself very active. I would rather suggest that if you have a non-alcoholic fatty liver which can be reversed, it's always good to go to a qualified nutritionist and get your diet plan, get your fat, carbohydrate, protein, minerals, all the antioxidants calculated, because here we have to work lot on visible and invisible fat also, because visible fat तो आपको दिख गए जैसे कि मक्खन, घी या तेल या पूरी कचौरी में, but there are invisible fats also which we need to work in non-alcoholic fatty liver जो आपको nuts, seeds, दूध इन चीज़ों से आते हैं. So go to a qualified nutritionist, reverse this problem. It's not very tough. And in case you need to have a customized diet plan for a non-alcoholic fatty liver, you have the number below, so connect with us. And for more such videos, subscribe to our channel, and hope you like this video.